Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. Today we are making some amazing Guyanese mango sour. This was eaten with some delicious egg ball. Please check the link out for that one in the description box. Let's jump right into this video. So here are the list of the ingredients. I have 2 mango, and that is 2 large mangoes, some cucumbers, geera, masala, some cumin. I do have some turmeric as well, garlic, peppers, salt, and sugar. So our first step is adding water to a pot. Then we're going to pour everything here. The mango, the cucumber. Now that's the kick. I love cucumbers. All right, and this makes it super delicious. I mean, extra delicious. All right, then we're gonna add everything else, and everything will be in the description box, not to worry. This is like, you can close your eyes and do this. Boil this until it's tender. Adjust your seasoning here, and then you are going to blend until it is really nice and smooth like that. And then it's done. That's it, guys. Super easy. This dipping sauce, or mango sour as we know it as in Guyana, it is absolutely delicious. You can eat this with plantain chips, with polari, with egg balls, with something called salsa or chicken foot. Y'all remember that one? Yep. So thank y'all so much for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to check the link out for that amazing egg ball recipe. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye now.